Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to set up NetMod Syna VPN with SSH, slow DNS, and V2Ray SNI settings. NetMod is a free and advanced VPN client that supports multiple VPN protocols, including SSH, V2Ray, and SOCKS. Today, our focus will be on configuring V2Ray with SNI settings to ensure a secure connection. Before we begin, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Step 1. First, open the Play Store and type NetMod Syna VPN in the search bar. Press Enter. From the search results, find NetMod Syna VPN and download it. Alternatively, you can download it from a trusted website. Once the app is installed, launch it. You will now be on the home screen of the app. Step 2. Before configuring the VPN, we need to create a V2Ray TLS server. Open any web browser like Chrome and search for Race VPN. Click on the Race VPN homepage. On the top right corner, tap on the menu icon to open the menu list. Scroll down to find the V2Ray server options such as V2Ray VLS and other protocols. Tap on the V2Ray server option to proceed. Step 3. You will now see a list of server locations, including France, the USA, the UK, Germany, and more. Choose your preferred location by tapping on it. On the next page, enter a username and password, complete the reCAPTCHA verification, and tap on Create Account. The server will be created within a few seconds. Once the server is ready, you can copy the server details manually, use a URL to copy the full configuration, or scan a barcode's QR code to import the server settings. Step 4. Go back to the NetMod Syna VPN app home screen. Tap on the ++ icon and select V2Ray protocol from the menu. You can manually enter all the server details or import the server configuration. To import from the clipboard, tap on the 3 dots menu, then tap on Import from Clipboard. The V2Ray configuration will be imported. Step 5. Once the server is imported, you can edit the configuration if needed. Tap on the pencil icon to modify settings such as the TLS type, header type, or SNI details. Once done, tap the Save button. Step 6. Now, tap on the Connect button to start the VPN connection. Swipe right to check the VPN logs and verify a successful connection. Step 7. To check if your IP has changed, tap on the menu button and select Check My IP. Congratulations! You have successfully set up NetMod Syna VPN with V2Ray SNI settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more guides. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.